Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to off-campus full-time opportunity for freshers batch. If you are from 22, 23, 24, 2022, 21 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. DXC, IIT Delhi, Credit Suisse, M Junction, Oiriksha, Dell hiring for the freshers batches. If you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, BCA, any branches, you can apply for this opportunity. So let's start the video. First of the important point, all the videos on our channel, that is very important for all of you. Please check all the important videos. First hiring is from DXC Technology for ITO JL1 role, that is related to Assistant Service Delivery Coordinator, and it is officially for the 2022 batch, but it is only for the diploma holders. Okay, if you complete your diploma or if you pursuing your diploma in computer science information, so you can apply for this opportunity. 2.30 LPA is the fixed package and 60% aggregate in diploma and 50% in 10th and 12th. You can apply for this opportunity. This form is official. Next opportunity is from IIT Delhi, and this is related to undergraduate summer research fellowship program 2022 at IIT Delhi, and it will also provide an opportunity to exceptionally good undergraduate student to execute an initiative. Okay, so they just mentioned that 8 to 12 weeks only through the online mode, and the fellow will be entitled for fellowship of rupees 500 per week. They just mentioned that if you are any undergraduate student, expect student of IITs, you can eligible for this opportunity, who had completed at least 2 years of study towards an engineering degree and is amongst top 10 position in his respective program, will be eligible for his fellowship. One of the most important point, if you are from 23 and 24 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. Okay, so the 23 batch is most eligible. If you are from 24 batch, you can try to apply for this opportunity. They just mentioned that the online application and deadline, and you have to just click on this online application form. Next opportunity is from IIT Madras, that is also related to summer fellowship program, and it is for the third year of BE, BTech, BSc, third year or fourth year of integrated program. So if you are from 23 or 22 batch, you can apply for this opportunity, and they just mentioned that of first year of ME, MTech, MBA with outstanding background. So you can also apply for this opportunity. They just mentioned that. One of the most important point, if you are from 2024 batch, and if they will give you opportunity, so you can directly apply for. On to the video, there is a very good news for all of you. If you are preparing for the GATE and EAC examination, so there is a very good offer from the Unacademy. Like if you purchase the 12-month subscription, so you can get the extra 3 month free, and if you purchase the 24-month GATE and EAC plus subscription, so there is a 4 month free, and this offer is only valid for the today. Okay, till today, like, so you can use our code BAGORA10, and price rises soon. Act fast to save now. Subscribe now. Use code to 10% of BAGORA10. And there is a one good features from the Unacademy, that is related to note for GATE and EAC. Okay, curated under the mentorship of top educators materials. The note will be available for access on the app only. You have to subscribe using our code BAGORA10. And there are so many branches. Okay, as we know about that. So there are so many batches for the according to branches, like for the GATE and EAC 23. For mechanical, there is a target and there is a vision batch for GATE and EAC 24. According to your branch and year, they just mention that the batches. So you have to use simply our code BAGORA10 for subscribing this, and they just mention the evolve, target, and all about the batches. And there is a GATE and EAC combat from the Unacademy team on the March 27, 11 AM. So there is a 20 questions, 60 minutes. So you can use code, and 100% scholarship for rank 1 to 3. There are so many good experiences are here. If you are from mechanical, civil, EE, EC, CS and IT, you can apply for that. The next opportunity is from M Junction, and it is official opportunity for the 2022 batch. They just mentioned that. Okay, so one of the most important point, if this opportunity is from 2018 to 2022 batch, and if you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BC, MCA, you can apply for this opportunity. This is work from home. Okay, work from home opportunity. So you have to just click on apply now button and apply for this opportunity. They just mentioned that, and they just mentioned that it will be end on 22 April and it will be start on 22 March. So apply for this opportunity. The next opportunity is from OA Rickshaw, and it is for hiring backend and front-end intern. And if you are from 23-22 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. Simply you can mail your resume to this email ID. Next opportunity is from Dell for the role of software engineer, and if you are from freshers batch like 2020, 21, 22, you can apply for this opportunity. They not mention that it is a entry level role. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.